Welcome you all to Civil Lecture No channel. In this channel, we are regularly making videos for engineering stream. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the vacancy which is came from IRCON Infra and Service Limited. So which is a government of India undertaking company. So here we are going to discuss about the vacancy which is been for the civil, electrical and architectural departments. So it is going to be an all India applicable job, and you need to go and attend the interview on the date which is mentioned in the notification. So to know much things about the post and what are the eligible experience and qualifications required for this post will be discussed in this video. So before going into that, if you are new to our channel or watching the video for the first time in our channel, please click on the subscribe button to get regular updates from our channel. So let's move on to the official website and we will read the notification. So it is their official website. So I'm straightly going to the section vacancy. Here I am going to click active. So it moves on to the next page, which will be displayed with the name of recruitment of civil engineers on contract basis. So here I'm going to click it. So the notification is going to be open further. So the company invites application for the post on contract basis, which is going to be initially for the 1 year, and it can be extended further 1 more year also. So it is also mentioned in that notification. So here the majority of the jobs is going to be for the civil engineers, and also you can find safety vacancy, and also electrical, and also the architect. So you can see here. So first we are going to see the post works engineer. So it requires minimum of 1 year experience in civil construction work, and senior work engineer, it requires minimum 3 years experience in construction work. Specifically they are asking in building bridges and highways. And assistant project engineer, so for this you need to have 5 years experience in construction or supervision of or QA QC like that in bridges, building or highways. And next thing is assistant project engineer, so similar to the previous post, but it is required in the bridges, highways and railways only, and but in previous they are also asking for steel and fabrication like that too. So for this, the essential qualification is BE or BTech in civil engineering with 60% mark, and the institute should be approved by the AICTE or UGC. And now, and you can see here it is for safety engineers, so assistant project engineer, and you can see here what is the essential qualification, and here also it required some experience, so minimum 5 years experience is preferred in bridge, highway and railway projects. And electrical, so same, you need to have a full-time degree BE or BTech in electrical with 60% mark. Even electronics is also applicable for this job, and it also required minimum 5 years of experience in MEP work, commercial or office building, workshop and township like that. And architecture, so here also you need to have a qualification of BArch with 60% mark, and minimum 10 years of experience is being asked for this post. And specifically they have mentioned in which qualities they need. So they give preference for the people who are planning and designing, and who are liaising with construction professionals like that. So they have mentioned what are the essential, specifically they need the candidate with these background experience. So this has been mentioned, and the total post is also mentioned here, and the reservation details are also been displayed here, so please make a note of it. And after that they also mentioned about the medical standards, and we move on to the next thing. So it is going to be the important selection process. So the candidate will be shortlisted based on the eligible criteria which is been given here, and also they will analyze it with the personal or virtual interview, which has been clearly mentioned in the para 16. We will discuss that too. And here also they have mentioned further more information about the medical coverage, and also how much here the contract can be extended. So these are also been given at this point, so you can read it out. So please read the notification further. I am just saying the important things. So before applying or before going into that, going for interview, please read full notification and then go. And straightly move on to the 16th point. So 16th para, so which is been given here. So you need to go for the document verification at the date of 11/5/2022. So May 11, between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. for the work engineer and senior work engineer and also the architect. And on 12th, it is going to be for assistant project engineer and assistant project engineer civil. So it is on 12, and 13 it is for assistant project engineer safety and electrical. So these 3 days has been splitted up, and based upon that the post also been splitted up. So the specific post need to go with their original documents to the particular location to verify that, and at the same date you need to give your application form to them. So this is being instructed here, and after that they will shortlist based upon your personal or virtual interview. So they will communicate to you through the mail ID which is being provided in the application form. So you will fill the application form which is been given below. So I will show you that, and the address for interview been given here. So it is going to be in UP. And then, so if any change in the interview date, that will be mentioned here clearly, so you can see it. And while going on to the interview, so you need to fill the application form. Along with that, you need to have self attested documents of these certificates. So this has been intimated here. So please read all these things, and you need to have a envelope cover for applying the post. So the subject should be like this. So application for the post of whether it is going to be work engineer or senior work engineer or assistant project engineer, so like that. And after this I'm going to show you the application form. So this is the form. So you need to fill it and you need to declare it, and you need to have this while you are going for the interview. So please make a note of it. So this is going to be the important one. So the interview location is going to be in UP. So that also been clearly mentioned here. So the this video might be useful for you, or it can be useful for someone. So please share this information to go for the people who are looking for the job with these experiences or job role. So please share it. So I think this information is okay in this video, and I will come up with some other more information in next video. Until that, thank you and bye.